OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, has shared exciting news about GPT-5, which is a big step forward in AI technology. The new Chat GPT-5 is great at writing text that feels natural and human-like. It can work in many languages, understands context better, and can help with a variety of tasks, like writing emails or explaining things. Whether you need help with creative writing or technical issues, or just want to chat, Chat GPT-5 is designed to be a reliable and helpful assistant. Then what makes this version special, and how could it change the way we use AI? OpenAI is getting ready to launch Chat GPT-5 soon, and it's seen as a major upgrade in the world of artificial intelligence. GPT-5 is expected to be much more advanced than earlier versions. When comparing Chat GPT-4o and Chat GPT-5, both could answer the same question, but GPT-5 gave a more accurate and concise response. This means GPT-5 will likely provide more reliable and fact-based answers. It uses deep learning algorithms and is trained on a vast amount of human conversation data, learning how people talk and respond. As it continues to learn, it gets better at chatting. We'll look major improvements and updates in GPT-5 that are likely to change our world soon. One big improvement OpenAI plans for GPT-5 is better reasoning abilities. GPT-5 will be much smarter and more advanced in thinking logically than the previous versions. It will understand information better and solve more complex problems, making more accurate predictions. This version can think more independently and predict different scenarios better. These changes will make GPT-5 more helpful for getting correct and up-to-date information. The new model will improve the translation of languages. It will understand the small details and differences between languages more clearly. This means when you translate from one language to another, it will be more correct and sound more like a native speaker. The third major improvement in GPT-5 is user personalization, which is a feature of AI software that takes into account the user's preferences and dislikes. GPT-5 has been significantly improved in this area to make interactions with the chatbot feel more friendly and personalized. For instance, if you request information on a topic and later specify that you want the data in the form of headings, not only will GPT-5 comply, but it will also remember your preference for future requests, eliminating the need to specify this preference again. As it is used more, it will gather more information about the user, becoming increasingly personalized and closer to the user's needs. As time passes, GPT-5 will become even closer to the user. The fourth major change in GPT-5 is its multimodal capability. Because of this, it will not only communicate with its users through text, but will also be able to communicate through images, videos, and voices. This means that GPT-5 will have the ability to provide information across a broader range, and even those who cannot read or hear will benefit from it. Those who cannot read will be able to listen to the information, and those who cannot hear will be able to see the information. Thanks to multimodality, you can show GPT-5 a picture and get information about it in text form. Or you can provide text and ask GPT-5 to create images. If you are working on a project in the near future and need a sketch, you will be able to use GPT-5 to understand your text instructions and create a sketch. GPT-5 will be better at seeing and recognizing different things and objects. This change called advanced vision capabilities, will let GPT-5 not just recognize any picture or video better, but also tell the story behind it. AI already has this ability, but GPT-5 is going to improve it even more. If GPT-5 is given a picture with a cat in it, it will not only tell you that it's a picture of a cat, like past versions, but it will also be able to say if the cat is just sitting, running after a toy, or busy with something else. Many people have used the free version of GPT and faced some problems. Sometimes, these problems also happen in the paid version of GPT-4. However, in GPT-5, these issues are being fixed. The CEO of OpenAI says that chatting with GPT-5 will feel like a real conversation. You type something, and it will give you an answer instantly. GPT-5 will be optimized for efficient use of computational resources, making it more practical for deployment and scalability in various contexts. GPT-5 will be able to analyze and understand video content, enabling applications such as video summarization, video-to-text transcription, and video-based search is also possible. Chat GPT-5 will have advanced understanding and generation capabilities for code, allowing it to assist developers with tasks such as code completion, debugging, and optimization. Imagine if you could assign menial tasks or jobs to AI. That could become a reality with GPT-5 if OpenAI continues to work on integrations with third-party services. For example, you could ask an autonomous agent to buy groceries based on your budget and dietary preferences. It would automatically search the internet for recipes, shop for the required ingredients, and have them delivered to you. This would bring us one step closer to artificial general intelligence, AGI. In the end, the fifth version of ChatGPT looks like it's going to be a big step forward in AI. It will pay more attention to making things more personal, working together, and helping us get things done. It's important to learn about and get used to these improvements. Get ready for a time when AI helpers are a bigger part of our everyday life than they are now.